Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today, we are installing another motion sensor. So, we've got the two sensors. One of these sensors will be in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And this one is, or one of these, is going to go right up there, because we're replacing that one. Here it is. Just give it open quick. There we go. Brand new sensor. Instruction manual. There you go. We've got the box. And yeah, I guess it's time to install it. So, first of all, we should probably start by taking down the old motion sensor. I'm so stupid. I was nearly going to take it down, but I've just realised I've not put the alarm into engineer's mode. How silly am I? There you go. Now the alarm won't go off and make a noise. You know what, actually? I think I've got a better camera place. Okay, that was a bit funny. Here is a new viewing angle. I thought it was better than down there, but yeah, I thought it might have been a little bit better. I think it is, to be honest, because you can perfectly see the PIR without, you know, having to look and strain your eyes to look over a distance. But yeah. Anyway, let's continue with replacing this PIR sensor, because that's what you're here to watch. Yeah, let's get into it. Also, what you use is electrical tape, so you know, the terminals don't get shorted out, which is what you do not want. Right, now it's time to, you know, take it down. Always tape up your terminals to avoid any shorts or anything, because you do not want any shorts, because otherwise you have to replace glass fuses. It's a pain. So tape up your terminals as you go. Okay, so we've got the old PIR sensor off. We just need to take off the box, you know, the back box and stuff, and then we'll be ready to install the brand new one. So yeah. One screw, and then another screw that is being a pain. Look at that. Don't know if you can see that very well, but that is real worn. I'm not going to use that. Right, next thing to do, as soon as I put these terminals together, it reset the alarm. I do not know why it did that, but let's type in the engineer's code again. Don't know why it reset. You know, I don't know why it took me out of engineer's mode. There we go. Right, so taking off the new PIR, now we need to put on the new one. No, taking off the old PIR, now we need to put the new one on. That's what I meant to say. So what we do is we open up the PIR using pressing the top button in. Got the PIR out. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to unclip this PIR just by pressing little flaps up here. So that's one of them clipped out. Oh, no, not. There we go. There we go. So the circuit board's been taken out. So it's easier for us to install the mount. I mean, you know the bracket. We go right there, and I've just realised that I can make a little bit more of a mark than the one upstairs, but it'll be fine. I do not know. Yeah, I don't know. It'll be fine. New PIR base is on the wall. Next thing to do is just wire it up. So we've got the PIR installed. There it is, right there. Now we need to test it. So it's already in engineer's mode, so all we need to do is just need to do that. So zone 1 is now activated because it's just detected me. So that works. So the next thing to do, I guess, is because it's daytime outside right now, I know that it won't set off the bell box and stuff like that for the tamper. So why don't we do a proper test of the tamper circuit? So I've exit engineer's mode, and now we're going to do a tamper circuit test in 3, 2, 1. So yeah, the tamper works. That is perfectly good. Yeah. Put the cover back on. You should hear a blip 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 saying that the cover has been put back on of this PIR sensor. Blip blip blip. Perfect. Saying that the cover has been put back on of this PIR sensor. Perfect. So I would say that it was a good test of this system, of this PIR. Last thing to do, which I didn't do on the other one upstairs because it came out of my room, and I didn't have the screw in. I don't know where it was. Last thing to do is put the screw in the bottom, so no one can tamper with it. So yeah. So the last thing to do is put this screw in the bottom so no one can tamper with it. If you have a screwdriver anyway, then you can tamper with it. And there you go. No one can tamper with it or anything. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, I've actually got one more to do, and that's that one right there. If you can see it, yeah, you can see it. I've got to replace that one next. If you want to see that video, like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss another video posted by me. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys. See ya. See you in the next video.